This date is the second of August 2026. The time now is 8:07 p.m. So literally, I am literally having to show you something here. So this is the website for macOS. Tell me guys what you think. Yeah. So this is a MMUCO ORION. Uh, yeah. So it's a login portal. It's you log into the basically you log into it. You mean to log in. Oh, this is what it looks like. It's not even like just the mouse. You log in. It's not even working smoothly. You log in. I put my email address. Put my access code. I log in. So we're gonna start from scratch usually. We're gonna read it and it's gonna be improved, so I'm gonna log out. So sign up. So we're gonna go back here. So this website, so I'm gonna read it, but I'm gonna change all the text because it's all the text is not interesting. So one sign in for housing, food, water, and shelter. This is MMUCO Orion OS treats essentials as non-negotiable requirement, not as a benefit you have to qualify for. Sign in to reach services governed under security and welfare. Housing, food, water, and shelter, admission for of rights, no privileges. So we got sign up, sign up. So basically, you see, the what I'm saying is it should be, designed. This is my butterflies and this is battlefield because every day is a battlefield. Yeah. So and you get it's a compound in IG6 to XN. This is where my lung is regulated, and it's a physical operating system for human beings, as well OB Nexus physical operating systems. This is MMUCO Orion. This is MMUCO Orion OS. But this is technically just called MMUCO OSs, like MMUCO OSs. I don't like the text name, but it's Orion. So this is just basically if you go to this route, it's not. And okay, so I'm going to look at the review here. One sign in for housing, food, water, and shelter. This deck is big enough, but it doesn't like it's a sign in. You sign into the service, you're gonna log in and sign up, but I'm gonna have to use my CKP Node Zero to log in, authenticate you guys. Yeah, yeah. So this idea there. So you get framework of yeah, it's gonna be nicer than this, but you get this text here. She gets an image here. Some kind of video player here. You know, it's not done yet. So this is just an image here. This is the battlefield here. So you can always remember this is a battlefield. Like when you're struggling with food, water, and shelter, you're on a battlefield. Yeah. When you log in, when you sign up, so you're gonna sign up. So this sign up button. See the cursor is missing. The cursor here is missing. So oh yes, sign in. So the text is big enough, but it's not in line. Should be in a straight line to here, and it should be in two lines, not three lines. It should be smaller. Self-service portal, security and welfare. Yeah, this is literally MMUCO Orion OS. Yeah, so this idea that so we're gonna sign up. I'm gonna enter my name. And at protonmail.com. What do you wanna do? Build up. Okay, so access hyper. I need stronger, clear signals. I need quieter. almost surface. Mixed with it. It's just AI generated stuff, So you got the option there, hyposensory, hyper, and you get. I'm hypo. I'm hypo, so I need strong, clear signals. Keep everything uh, uh, motion. Anything that we can design around you. I am a polygus male. So this is basically how you log in. I'm a polygus. I don't like this idea. Listening more like a polygamous male who needs peace and quiet. Peace and quiet during naughty hours. Guys, no one should really put this in naughty hours. True, guys. So I'm gonna register on portal. So I'm not logged in. So this is the portal. Uh, so I can go here. But now, basically, you get an overview: housing, food, standing, the baseline, open allocation, allocation ref. Yeah. So you get the reference number, consumer. Um, so really just all these texts are gonna change, but I'm gonna stop reading them out. So good to see you, Namdi. Your baseline standing. Low is what's open. You can request and what's your dwellings has you got. So you log in, you log into your housing. Basically, you log into this. Yeah. So basically, I'm gonna have people gonna live there and work for me. Live and work for me. We're gonna allow to breathe, obviously. We're gonna have what type of was supposed to get casuals. Will do, thank you. Enough? Thank you. So basically, so this is not the actual house location here. This is a planning portal England. So this MMUCO Rhino is gonna be here. But you can go to planning. I don't understand planning a lot, obviously. The planning is what I'm paying for. Right? But I'm gonna pay for building laws. So I'm gonna pay for building control. I don't know how to make a building control application. It's all here on the planning portal, but this way gonna be a house. Gonna be a house in IG6. So let me show you the actual location. I'm gonna have one in Thurrock. I can start a new application in Thurrock. But no, I rather just have one. So this is a planning portal. Yeah, this is the MUCO portal. So this is not the MUCO portal. This is the MUCO portal here. So this is the MUCO portal. So sector one. Uh, so I'm gonna start reading this out. So it's good to see you, Namdi. Your baseline is standing before below is what is open, where you can request and where your dwelling has got to. So you can it's a house application. Yeah, you can request food, water, and shelter, and we'll come to you. Or you just go to it. Yeah, but housing standing, food standing, water standing, and energy standing. Yeah, city energy. Yeah, sector one, plot 84. Uh, Commission, plot assigned to dwelling root into sector service. Uh, Open allocation. Uh, so it's gonna be like a civilization. A kind of can you just see me here? It's gonna be like a civilization. You kind of browse services, no services browse. Press harbor. What do you do? Well, all this text. is going to be changed. For now, it's standing. It's gonna be fun. It's a herbal and medical qualification request available now. Request. Uh, yeah. So I'm using the planning portal. So how do you make a house application? It's not really. It's basically gonna make a house application. Gonna make a. It's gonna be automated. So it's gonna be robots in there. Like it's gonna get to you from robots. It's gonna get to your door by robots. By robots delivery. That's the idea. Yeah. So housing locations, sector services, and workspaces. Yeah, sector services. So things you own a sector, you are, yeah. So this is a idea. So if you food, energy, services, housing. Maybe I should move this to housing. Go to house. In progress, water and energy voters. It never ends, it never ends. So, plus a sign as a son. It's a portal. So this gonna where it's gonna be. This is my account. So this is my account. So it's not online, but it needs a database, in the backend. So it needs a backend to for authorizer. So the front end is done. This is a view application, but the backend has to be there. The backend is gonna be in MongoDB, Mongoose, uh, ODM, object document mapping. Yeah, ODM. So again, it's Mongoose the schema system to you know assign houses. But you're gonna get houses. It's gonna work like an organization. So the idea is it works like an organization. So you have the startup organization. So you're gonna work like we're the largest basically Bill Gates said, we are the world largest startup. So we don't have a hierarchical structure. They have a flat structure. So few different people are managing different sectors of the area, sector services, and you're gonna have well, if I do this properly, it should work in the way I said. Well, the text is not making any sense. So the text is not incoherent. It works, but it's not working for me. It's not working because I didn't write it. So I have to go and edit the text myself. So I'm gonna have to write down something. So this is log into the operating system. So you're based on standing housing 601, plotted to full, started commission, your person signed dwellings of Ubuntu servers, open application, open workspace, dwelling, open with all requests, raise new request. Oh, raise new, after for it, yes. Right violations. See, this will all be nice to have things in the way, but the goal is you can request for housing, services, and you can work, you can find job. So you can have housing, house here. This is all fully independent of the council because that made you homeless. That's the idea. It's fully 100% independent from the council services, and it's called. So basically, gonna be here. HTTP s www muco.ovnexus.org. It's gonna be on this domain name. So this is the URL here. Muco MMUCO.ovnexus. Because it's an organization, right? I've got my own neurodivergence framework for governance. So if you go to github.com /open access legal, you find our legal subnet. So So you're gonna have the legal. So you're gonna have the legal law. So you're gonna have the articles. Uh, yeah, this is some of the articles that can be programmatically assigned because they're programmatic specifications. Adopting inclusion web design. The system of ethical. This is all my implementation. You can read the articles. Uh, Usually respect it. This is a license. This is all my legal stuff. You got charters. Right, so, this is, yeah. So you're gonna have the protocols here. Campus article. The question, formal constitution from governance. We, the constitutions of organizational leadership. So I'm governing myself. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. So you're gonna have policy constitutes to a formal division of operation with established financial value. Police operate constitution instruments. Act represent collective acts on clauses that force closing to systematic mitigation of procedural loopholes, operation edge cases, and systematic corner cases, and foundational based cases. Okay. Process, procedure, project, operation charter. Charter is a formal. So this is the first one I want you guys to look at. You know, the charter defines the internal constraint of all domain services, while maintaining compliant ecosystem. Article 2, section. This is all about me anyway. I wrote this. I'm very proud. Thank you for watching the video. So we're gonna go back to the website. Yeah, we're gonna go to the website. The website is here. Primary, secondary. So I can request. No, I can request. Can request anything here. This food, water, energy. This one was saying, it should work the same way. What the compound can do for you today. What can go to for you? There's no AI system here, unfortunately. 5 second hold on a tree of life, service at baseline already. Never I think I have to ask for them again. So this is my website basically. So this is the it's not straight to the point, it could be better, you can have a house here and the house would be one of the houses we live in, you know, you see, it's just all text, and that's what makes me uh eager to continue. It's not it could be better, and text could be have to edit it so it suits the need of the thing. But I'm gonna edit the text myself. So let me open code and yeah. So this is what I'm saying. So I'm gonna log out now. But this is the how it works. Log out. Uh, log back in. See, I don't put anything in here. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching this video, guys. This is the site design I propose. What do you guys think of this site design? It's not good enough. I can write very well if I want to, if I can. I do care. Shiva. Rights to act rules. This is my legal framework. Yeah, this is one of my books I read. I'll just get it here, man. It's on my pro stuff right here. Founders and premise. By number food, so this is called survival technology. Yeah, then you break it down. This isn't about goodness or electric startup. It's like healing for for I literally can't wait for another decade, you know. Why all the joints basically why all the joints become what the AI replaces we are out here building tools that how you do question protection. From tonight on to now, I was summons. This is one of the lessons we could be saying the book. Survival. All this technical ethics and oh, those real trust architect protects the right exploits. Listen, just like the protocol eliminates language barriers, so opening to friends. This is a great article. You know, I'm gonna post this article to I just it's like this is my founder's promise. This is what you have to do for me, guys. The future is present, the future is now. This is the clothes like this one. Well, that's just legal clothes thing, you know, yes, it could be better. Just much better. Could be much more better. But this is the foundation I want to live in for Biafrans, you know, for things that happen to me. So let me go back to my here. I will not be selling this. This is my operating system. So this is basically the operating system I'm talking about. So you go in there, you log into the operating system from the digital world. So you log into the computer and you get a house and you get services and you know within the operating system. Before you can get outside. You can get anything from the operating system, really. It's just that you know I'm prioritizing people that are in the operating system, and that's how it should work. Because my foundation of about the Biafran War and everything, this is what I want to deal with, you know. Because I remember the Biafran War, you know, what things in my life, you know. So this is the image here. This is the my logo. If you look at this logo here, open image in new tab. Oh, you can't open image, but that logo is very open. This image here. This is my business logo. So this is as a child, as an adult, or wait, as a child, a journey in reflection of me myself, in reflection of me myself, future and peace and adult. As an adult, I return a king. You know that's return of the riches. So this is the my logo here. So what do you guys think of this site? Tell me how to improve it. It needs improvement. Be better. This is closer, yeah. Well, thank you for watching the video, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Like, share, and subscribe.